Hi, good day, Mr. Carlos Hortinela. I am here again, Giselle Alejandro, one of your student in numerical methods, and I am going to present machine problem 2. Okay. And I was assigned to do a program for Lagrange interpolation. So I'm again using C++ programming language. Okay. Lagrange interpolation, that is one of the curve fitting techniques that we are using nowadays. So I'm going to present first the algorithm of the program. Here. Okay, first, we have to enter the number of values, the number of data points. Okay. Then we have to enter the value of x to find y. Okay, so that is in this stage, we're going to input the value of x, wherein it it is going to compute for the resulting value of y in the Lagrange interpolation calculation. There. Then the next step is to enter the value of independent variables, say x, x0, x1, and so forth, whose corresponding value of dependent, say f, okay, uppercase f, is to be determined. So I'm going to input the value of x, then um, I'm going to input the value of f. Okay. Then the program will compute for Lagrange interpolation. Then it is going to print the value of p. Okay, that is the resulting value of p. Okay. So this is the program source code here. I assigned data points, okay, to be computed in my program. So I assigned initial value of 5. Okay, that when it is substituted to the equation, the value is 9. Okay, the value is 9. Then x1 is 10, 13, then 15, 14, 20, 10.5, 25, 12, then 30, and 30. So I assigned the value of x to be substituted in the whole computation, b 12.5. Okay, so there. So I'm gonna show the program here. So there. Enter the number of values. So in the program, you will see enter the number of values. Enter the value of x to find y. Okay. Right. So here I'm going to run the program first. So there, compiling the program. Here, the program is asking to enter the number of values. So I assigned how many data points. That is 6 data points. So I'm going to enter 6. And the program asking for the value of x to find y. That is the value x equals 12.5. There. Now the program is asking for the assigned data points. So I'm going to enter 5. Okay, I'm going to enter 5. 10, 15, 20, 25, and 30. Now the program is asking for f. So f is the value of that when the value of excess is substituted to the equation, this is the value of f. So here I'm going to input 9, 13, 14, 10.5, 12, and 30. So there. Now you can see here that the program itself computed for the value or the value of the Lagrange terms. So as you can see here, the value for initial value of x is equal to, for Lagrange term, is negative 0.02734338. Okay, next is 0.410156, then 0.820312. Next is negative 0.273438. Next is 0.08203112, and negative 0.11, negative 0.011718. And the resulting value is 14.5312. So that is the fifth order interpolation at x is equal to 12.5. So that is the value, 14.5312. Okay, so there. So this example, I was already computed it in an Excel spreadsheet. So we can compare that the value of this program is similar to the computed value in Excel spreadsheet that I done. Here you can see the value of the fifth order wherein your x is 12.5 is the same as 14.53124. Okay, you can see also the Lagrange term here is also the same as the program source code has appeared. As you can see here, the initial Lagrange term, the first term is negative 0.02734. You can see here that is the same. Next is 0.410, 41016, the same as here. Next is 0.82031, same as here. Next is 0.27344, also the same. For the fourth term, it is 0.08203, same as here. And last is negative 0.1122, 0.01, I'm sorry, negative 0.01172, also the same as here. So we can conclude that the program works for polynomial curve fitting. So this is the same as the Excel spreadsheet. And we can say that this program is also computing for Lagrange interpolation. And we can use this to solve for curve fitting polynomial. Okay, so this is the source code. I've searched for some codes in the internet, and I found out on this website here. There, I found this code there, and I use this for this project. So there, you can see the code. You can type coderna or codernepal.blogspot.com/p/Lagrange interpolation, Lagrange-interpolation.html. Okay. So there, I guess I've already presented my project for Lagrange interpolation. So that ends my presentation.